the suicide rate in city much higher than a countryside. The reason very clear. In countryside, farmers they have stronger sense of community there. One family, some problem, they always feel I can ask this family, that family. Occasionally they work together. So sense of community much stronger. Then big city, you may have big salary, but your best friend is money, not human being. So therefore, some real sort of problems happen. You feel helpless, lonely. So I myself also, you see, as a practitioner of bodhicitta, altruism, I always consider 7 billion human beings are my brothers, sisters. So with this feeling, if I emphasize or stress, I am Buddhist, His Holiness Kasa, 14th, grade 14th Dalai Lama. If I emphasize that, then out of 7 million human beings, only one Dalai Lama, then I feel lonely. When I stress, I am one of the 7 billion human beings, then plenty of brothers, sisters. So no feeling of loneliness, like that. So therefore, that also one example. Think other, you get maximum benefit. Think oneself, selfish, narrow-minded, then a lot of stress, a lot of fear, and loneliness feeling.